Is he balding? I don't know. For some reason, I just see him as he's balding. He might not be balding. I like, but like maybe he is. He fucking refused to get a haircut while dissing my album, and he looks like the all that, this is all that fucking symbol. And there's a fleshlight behind me because I don't care. There is a fucking fleshlight within the frame of my live, and what am I supposed to do? It's too late now. Damage has been done. Can't really tell it's a fleshlight, but I just got real spooked that you guys saw that. So now I'm embracing it. That's what he looks like. Anthony Santano looks like the this is all that, this is the all that symbol. He looks like the fucking smiley face with the 3 hairs sticking out. That's what he looks like. Where's Amanda Bynes? Because this fucking guy is ripping off that entire show with his goddamn dumb idiot face. You know? Is this legal? Dude, fucking... Where's Keenan and Kel? Because I smell a lawsuit. Because this fucking guy is sitting... This guy is sitting there with his stupid shirts and his stupid face. It's been like a good 30 minutes and I'm still talking about this guy. I'm so pissed. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off about his linoleum kitchen and bathroom floor tile, and I'm pissed off about his fucking blatant ripoff of all that with his fucking haircut and his stupid yellow face. His dumb circular fucking head. Matter of fact, it's very ovular, so I don't know why I said circular. It's very ovular in shape and large in size. He looks like this. He literally just looks like this. Don't know why I didn't think of that a long time ago, but he just looks like that. Whatever. Who cares? It's fine. No big deal. I don't care. I don't give a shit.